Is this the one that looks quite vintage? With bathtub, that one? Oh, I see.
Nice and quiet.
Yeah. Do you remember one time while we were eating out there, you know, at the entrance of the alley?
Yeah.
Here, this little soy just looked all very dark and kind of creepy. But in the day, it looks kind of beautiful.
Like nice cars that along here.
Yeah. And you see that gate of that house just looks sort of, you know, in the sort of Chinese style. Probably some Chinese family's mansion. This one?
No. Next one.
Okay.
One down.
Good distance to BTS too. This is also some sort of apartment. Maybe for long term.
We're roughly here.
Hi.
Wouldn't that one, would you smell?
Do you know the name of these purple flowers? You've seen those ones?
Are they forget-me-nots?
Maybe.
Might be forget-me-nots, I'm not sure.
I've only seen them in hot countries. No, this looks like a kindergarten.
They've gone past now.
Have we? It could be on the other side.
Is that the station?
Let me see.
I'm at the station.
I'm at the station, gonna go down there. Huh.
Is he coming from somewhere else, I guess?
Maybe. Just say we're in the soy and can find his house. What is that? Can't see it.
Ambassador.
Oh.
He sent that message when we were at the station as well.
Hmm.
Um, That thing has gone past it.
This one?
I don't understand.
This is one of those unverified places on that website.
What do you mean unverified?
I don't think they're licensed or anything. That's why when you type their name, you can't find it on Google.
You can do TN30 for me.
Yeah. This guy?
Right?
No, I don't think he is. Yes?
Oh, hi. Do that 2 to about 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's so hot.
Look at me.
In a bit. Yeah, this place has really got a vintage look in it. Probably like 100 years old. Yeah.
Look at the fish.
Can't see. Oh, you mean the white big one?
Beauties, aren't they?
Okay. How old is this house?
It should be 40 years.
Oh.
Do a TM30 TM30.
TM30. Need a map?
No, it's a form to fill in for visa.
Oh, TM30 for we identify.
You have? Okay, great. And it's 9,000 per month, right?
I get another time for my.
And you want 1 month deposit?
Yes, my money is
And we can rent for just six weeks?
it is okay.
Yeah, good.
How much would be in total for 6 weeks?
week, 9,000 for 1 month, in 4 weeks.
12,000.
6,000 is half of the yes, 9,000.
4,500 is.
Correct.
12,500.
Yeah, so the first thing to try, right?
And electric bill only the AC over there.
Okay. Is the electric bill included?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, not included, but only the AC bill.
Only the AC is included?
Yes.
And this is extra?
Yes, only the air conditioner. But the fan or the light is not included.
Okay. How much are the bill? How much will the bills be easily per month?
Usually, if you turn on the AC only the night time, it will be 800. On the
So,
night.
sorry, the AC is included in the rent?
No, it's not included, but this meter only the AC, but if you use the light or the room, the
Oh, okay, we don't use that. Do you have a kitchen?
What are you doing? Oh, trying to get me move out of the way. Yeah.
Okay, you happy to we should go.
Yeah.
We'll just have a look at the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah. And we'll just see the kitchen as well. Thank you.
I wonder if the room will be lighter if this is up.
you
Hmm.
have the room.
I like natural sunlight. How do we get this part up?
I'm very sure maybe
Broken?
yes.
Oh. Thank you. Okay, let's go see the kitchen. What are these? Poi. Poi.
This shelf belongs to her. She keep her food in here.
Oh, okay.
When we leave, how long till the deposit comes back to us?
After I check the room at the CPU, maybe Do you have a Thai bank account? Okay, we have for you when they check your room and calculate the AC bill.
Okay. That's it. So like, as soon as you've done that, we'll go straight back.
Sorry?
As soon as you check the bill,
Yes,
we'll
yes.
come straight back. With that, okay. Cool.
And the deposit comes back to us in cash?
No, in the bank account.
We want to have all bank transfer, but I prefer bank transfer because I don't want to carry too much.
Yeah, bank transfer is fine. It doesn't matter because I can withdraw for free anyway. So.
But if we want the cash back, we can get cash back?
The cash?
If we want it back. Okay.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We'll call you later. We're going to go and see one more.
Okay,ครับ
Thank you ค่ะ
Thank you so much.
Come on, Cap. Thank you, man. Cheers.
ขอบคุณค่ะ